welcome in. I'm Dirt Farmer. This is our family farm here in Montana. We're doing seed cleaning. Quick and simple rundown of how this thing works. So we have just our normal wheat that we harvested this last year in the semi. It's going in the conveyor. It's getting dumped in the top of the cleaner. You can see all the dirty stuff. We have a lot of straw and bugs and other kind of garbage. And this is actually a scalper type cleaner, so it's scalping the wheat. But what happens when it first comes through is it actually gets hit with some air. So on top we actually have a big blower fan. So it's blowing all the light stuff out. That's what that little silver thing on the side is. It's actually the air blower. And then it actually starts the scalping process. So we got these two bigger scalpers right here. And then once it goes through those ones, it gets scalped again on these bottom ones. And then these are actually the clean ones on the left and right side. But the middle is actually dirty still, and it's getting cleaned again like a second time. Clean wheat makes it to this point. It goes up this little auger and into the clean truck, and then after that, into the big auger and into that blue hopper bottom bin we got. This second little auger here is actually for our tailings, so like the dirty stuff that we could clean again if we want to. You can see it's just all kinds of random junk in there. And there's not a whole lot of that either, so just a little pile we got compared to all the clean stuff we have. If we look at our clean grain truck here, we can see this stuff is just about spotless. There is a couple little pieces of stuff that make it through, but this is way cheaper than paying $1.50 per bushel to have it cleaned. By the end of the day, we have 1,000 bushels of clean spring wheat sitting in that blue hopper bottom bin, and everything's getting cleaned out.